Papa Shiba on the block, better go and cop. Fill your wallet till it pop, cause we blasting off. When we get onto this rocket, we won't ever stop. To the moon, to the top, better take a shot. Don't wait until it's too late, buy it today. Papa Shiba knocking other Shibas like a Blu-ray. Flying to the sky like a blue jay, like who they? Get your ether up, and I don't mean what Nas said to Jay. Dev sold his coins, might regret it, but it's too late. The contract locked, now we loaded like we blue haze. More than just a new phase, we taking this to new heights. Only just a few days, we #1 on both sites. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, get that new hype. Community back, it's like we breathing in some new life. Now we can do whatever we want, so we bought. Now we here to teach you all a lesson that should be taught. You yeeted in a coin and you lost all of your ether. Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba. You got that honey pot but found out it wasn't sweeter. Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba. You got that rug pulled on the floor, now you a bleeder. Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba. You wanna find a coin that can make you a believer? Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba. You got a MetaMask, you gotta go and get some ether. Watch it double up and bring it home to Papa Shiba. Cop a pizza, pepperoni, get to eating. Whenever there's a dip, we eat it up, we always feeding. Community is strong, we beaming up, you best believe it. We don't need Scotty, cause we pippin' up off season. Always leading, yeah, we stay atop the chart too. See those top gainers, if you ain't, it's probably smart too. Probably better start soon, the whales gon' get the harpoon. Or hold it steady growing like the rallies when the chart booms. We gon' 10x, 50x, and then 100. This is just the start, we build momentum you can run with. Sick of all the rugs, we set the table like a luncheon. When we see some dips, we get some chips and start to munching. See those green wicks, we keep them smashing like a pumpkin. Come to Papa Shiba, drop some ether cause it's bumping. You yeeted in a coin and you lost all of your ether. Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba. You got that honey pot but found out it wasn't sweeter. Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba. You got that rug pulled on the floor, now you a bleeder. Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba. You wanna find a coin that can make you a believer? Come to Papa Shiba, come to Papa Shiba.
Forever.